Hamren Secretariat along ta ingdeng throksikep throksi Ru Semsonsing Engti aphan chekimo dun. Aning kan banga son thak si ke ese hin pen patir piponsi Ru Semsonsing Engti karliar ni ka chekimo pon boma sonsi pining surhini rain kora phoning kana hosatami thang ni phain kora nerkep ani karbiang longatermas council secretariat Hamren branch along ta ka chekimo sai dengpon. Sayang denga tengpen Hamren rong sopi hiti bari malong kedo Ru Semsonsing Engti akum dina kengri damsi melur kai dampen mira lek istampen arbakpen aman tipo.
Ru Semsonsing pen ke karami aka
Ru Semsonsing Engti akum dina kengri damsi melur kai dampen mira lek istampen arbakpen aman tipo. Bang sopi radami pi kapedoalo aluhi sarpong manpen karbiri cholong singrong hanglapen habipin po atum chitong dunalong MEC head singrong par Ru Semsonsing Engti asu Francis Engti lapen achoratum yang chitong dunsi kachitong arado anaphan Peru.
Be very honest. Samson Engti died when I was very young. I must have been only about 4 or 5 years old. So today I'm 82. So long ago, very less recollection. But from what my auntie, my father and others told us, he was a very dedicated man for the cause of our Mikir people. He struggled in his life. He tried very hard to build up. And today as we remember him, I think the most important thing we must remember is he was trying to build up the future of his people. I think that is what is so important.
Never go back. Okay, a very beautiful place. We were there for some time. In what's that village? We had Donald had a farm there, and he helped him bring items to grow. I think Karbi Anglong has a big opportunity for many things, especially greens. Your farms, big farms. It's very good because people are willing workers and respectful, loving, very loving.
Kachikimo ajay meke dengalong adhurom 3 pen satami amithang ki kroy arnam aphan chordom si Ru Semsonsing Engti aphan kachikimo asai kedeng pen hirjume johangpon. Ingdeng throksikep throksi Ru Semsonsing Engti aphan kitiarni kachikimo along aning karong pen Semsonsing Engti asu Francis Engti lapen achornang chetongdun alangli pen kaningje pona bangke lapuson kachikimo ajay me kedeng pona bangke mesen lopusi kachoro alam the palipon.
Congratulate all the senior workers, whoever they may be, Michael and everyone else. Well planned, well organized, and the welcome is superb.
Thanks.
Go ahead and do your best always. Respect yourself.
Hamren Pen Chandra Singh Ronghang KTV News.